What's up? My name is Mark Perry. I'm the owner of Pulse AI Solutions. I'm just going to kind of give you a chance, tell you about my background and why I'm doing this channel and why I'm getting into AI and what this is all about. So I've been a web developer for 25 years, software engineer. I've had a couple of good, decent sites that have made a little bit of money, sports sites, but nothing big. And I decided that I need to pivot to AI because I've been basically using AI since 2022, helping people, teaching people. So part of the reason for this channel is you're gonna be on my journey. Remember, if you've heard that Sam Altman had a bet with some people about who was going to create the first, or somebody will create the first billion-dollar company with one person, and so that's my goal. So I kind of wanted to make this video. We're on vacation in Florida, and this is where I'm going to kind of stick my pin in the ground, and this is the beginning. So I wanted to do a video walking on the beach here in beautiful Florida, live in Maryland. I've made a name for myself at different points in my life in the pro wrestling world and all football world, but I think it's time for a change, and AI has been kind of, I think, something that God has been kind of pulling me in that direction. So that's what this channel is about. So my goal is to help teach you about AI and teach you everything I know. So I'm going to take you along the whole step in the beginning. We're going to start with the goal of making $150,000 in 1 year, then 250,000, 500,000, a million, 10 million. You're going to be that journey through the whole way as we kind of build that up. And I'm going to teach you everything I know about AI, and because it is, and everything where I think things are going to go. I've been studying this stuff. I've been following it. I'm different than your average AI YouTuber because I've been a software engineer for 25 years. I've also been an entrepreneur too. So building my own websites and making some money there as well. I've been involved with crypto. I mean, I've kind of done it all. And I think my experience and my background might provide something unique in this space. I'm also a Christian guy, so I don't hide my faith either. I'm not preachy and telling you what to live, but I really think there is this kind of cross section between quantum computing and prayer. We'll get into that. We'll get into like the simple ways to use AI to kind of get started. I've been teaching. That's the big thing of why I decided to start pivoting and doing this differently, is because a lot of people, there's people that know AI and use AI and they are freaked out. They're like, where is this going? Am I ever going to have a job? And then you have people that kind of poo-poo AI. It's because they never used it. And I've seen a lot of commentary and I hear a lot of people talking. I have a different kind of take on things. And so I wanted to kind of put that out there. So it's going to be teaching videos. It's going to be showing you guys just my little tips and tricks and things that I've done and experimented on, and just kind of take you on that journey. We're going to build, you and I are going to build Pulse AI Solutions together. And I'm going to take you every step of the way. So hopefully you can learn something from me, because I think God's where he's pulling me, because this is such a transformative thing that's going to change society forever. That's why I wanted to put this video out, that he wants me to teach people about this stuff. I don't know why, and maybe I'm wrong, but that's where I kind of think he's been pulling me. It's been very strange. I keep wanting to go in different directions, and I keep getting pulled in this direction. And so you're along for the journey. Again, my name is Mark. You'll learn about me. You'll learn about my wife and her story in videos and stuff too, and my family. I got 2 Boston Terriers, and I love them. I've got 6 kids, and my wife Dawn. We're a blended family, and I'm not afraid to hide who I am and my family and what they're up to. And this is just about you guys being part of that journey of how we kind of take this Pulse AI Solutions and go in different directions. I have opinions on agents and enterprise when it comes to that kind of stuff that people are talking about. And I'm kind of like, yeah, I don't know about that, guys. And so, yeah, so just come along for the journey. This is where we step. It is Father's Day. I don't know what today's date is. The 15th, 2025. And this is the first video of Pulse AI Solutions. And we're going to have a lot of content And you're along for the journey as we kind of grow this business to $150,000 to $250,000, all the way up. And let's see if we can hit that billion. And I'm not here to make money just so I can buy cars and whatever. Like I want to transform things. I think God put me here to do big things, and I keep trying to do things by myself or thinking small. I'm like, screw that. I think this is time for a change, and let's go big. So stay tuned, my friends.